students. Today we will read a story Unity is Strength. So let's get started. An old man lived with his four sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day, he called his four sons. He gave them a small bunch of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. It was so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as a single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Now, let's go to the question and answers. The first question is, why was the old man worried? Second question, what happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? Third question, what happened with the single sticks? Fourth question, what lesson did the sons learn? Next, arrange the following words in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. First, worried man was old. So its answer is, the old man was worried. Okay? Now second, everything for fight they would. Third, sticks of the bundle did break not. Fourth, easily broken stick a single is. Fifth, stand, divided fall, united we. Next, find the small words hidden in the big word. First, everything. Second, friendship. Third, separated. Fourth, together. Next, read the following sentences. Change the color words with new words to form a new sentence. First, the old man was worried. Second, he took the bundle and tried to break it. Third, an old man lived with his four sons in a village. Fourth, this time the brothers learned a lesson. Fifth, he gave him small sticks. Next, write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. Look and say, worried, quarreling, agree, bundle, sticks, surprised, unbroken, impossible, united, friendship.